This is Lucas's PawPaw Ointment. It's an Australian product. And in fact, I first got this from an Australian friend as a gift, and I've always made sure to have at least one of these in my cabinet at any given time. Usually I buy it in packs of 3s now. It's got a Vaseline-like texture, and indeed you can use it in the same way as you use Vaseline. You can use it on, I use it a lot for my lips, my cuticles, in fact, great for that, and insect bites and any scratches, burns, etc. It's a it's from the, I think it's fermented, the pawpaw fruit, which is basically a family member of the papaya. And this has been around in Australia for forever. I think all Australians must know this product. Yep, it says you can use it for boils, burns, chafing, cuts, cracked skin, gravel rash, splinters, open wounds, insect bites, and nappy rash, diaper rash, basically. So yeah, this is a goodie. Recommend.